Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. Today I'll talk about the most important and essential tools you need to make a PC maintenance or repairing. Okay, I created one package in one bootable ISO file. This package can help you to make repairing, make a maintenance for your computer or or your PC, okay, or laptop and so on. Okay, this is the content of this bootable CD. It's like this: the most essential, important tools like SMATDAV antivirus, 360 total security, and password reset for Windows password reset, and DSM to make Windows image, to apply Windows image or mount a Windows image like this. The other one is ASUS data recovery, just to recover all deleted files from your computer. You can recover it again by this program. Okay, I think I explained this program before. Ultra ISO, hard disk sentinel to diagnose your hard disk status, and Ventoy to make your flash memory bootable ISO. Okay, also a partition wizard and everything you will have. Very good tools you will have in this Norton Ghost, Boot Ice, Graphics Image X, all available tools and all essential and important, very important tools if you want to use it in computer repairing or computer maintenance. Okay, let's see what is this portable ISO can included inside. Okay, let's open. I already mounted this maintenance bootable ISO file to this virtual machine. I'll try it. I'll press escape from keyboard to pause this screen boot menu. I'll start from CD-ROM. Okay, this is PC maintenance and repairing by YouTube Hanyadelusa USA. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now like every time I'll pause this video until start. Okay, yes, let's resume now. Okay, this now bootable ISO already started. Okay, so in this ISO file, so you can find this Norton Ghost. Double click to work, and you can make recover Windows image, or you can create or backup your Windows operating system by this program. Okay, Norton Ghost. Okay, the other one is Boot Ice. If you want to modify the boot configuration data, so you can boot configuration data from here, so you can modify the boot options for your Windows. Okay, this is GImage-X if you want to mount, or if you want to apply Windows image to from CD Windows installation to your hard disk drive. You want to apply it from here. You can choose from here the WIM, and here you will choose the drive to apply this WIM. This is SMATDAV. Okay, SMATDAV, double click. If you want to make activate, just click no. Okay, to start it. Pro means it's a registered version, so you can check your computer for viruses, so you can clean your computer from virus. Okay, also 360 total security. Okay, double click, it will start. This program will start, so you can check your computer for viruses, virus scan. Okay, this is a portable application, so you can make check your computer for viruses. Okay, the other one is if you want to test the boot, test your computer boot working from hard disk boot or CD or ISO. If you want to test an ISO file to check it if the bootable or not, like that. So this is can check boot checker, or you can call it boot tester. Okay, this is for reset Windows password by this program, so you can choose the location for the SAM file. Okay, security access management. Okay, this is DSM. Okay, this DSM is also used as Image-X, GImage-X. Okay, so you can apply image, or you can mount image. Okay, or you can add a path of Windows image, mounted Windows image. Okay, so you can use it as gimgx, and this is SS data recovery, so you can use it also to recover deleted files. This is total commander, this is space sniffer, or you can space sniffer or space analyzing tools, so you can double click if you want to check what is the big files included in your hard disk drive, so it can make very big analyzing for your hard disk to check what is the bigger file in your computer. So like this, now it's working. So I have only two big files. This is VHD, okay, and this is Ghost USA. This is ISO file. This is the biggest two files, okay, inside my drive. So you can use this space sniffer to, this is hard disk sentinel, to check your diagnose your hard disk drive if exists, if included some bad sectors or like that. So this is the status of your PC, your hard disk health, okay, the health of your hard disk, okay. So it can used as a diagnostic tool for your hard disk drive, okay. I collected all of these packages, one package to be in one bootable ISO file to include all these tools, okay. This is also Ventoy. Ventoy can create a bootable flash memory, but the very for this. This is the other tools is partition wizard 12. This is partition wizard 12, so it can work, okay. Also the partition wizard 10, okay. I included all packages because it's up to you. You can use partition wizard 10 if easier than partition wizard 12, okay. It's up to you, okay. You can this is also to make you know, it can unhide all the hidden files. This program can do it. Now we reach to the end of the video. Now thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.